Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 12X, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Now in this left section, scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates, and right here at the top we've got the software update, so the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it, and your device is checking for the updates. You can tap on it again to check again. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date, there's nothing to download, you can see this information. And the second scenario is where your device will show you the new update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and you will be able to tap on download and check and apply the update, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.